you just got cash. Blow some out. Blow some out.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thanks for stopping by as well. So my name is Maryann and you're welcome to the Maryann channel, YouTube channel. This is quite this is a look out of my comfort zone. I had to just push myself to go a bit further, and this look is inspired by a lady on Instagram. I'm going to try to leave her handle on the screen so you can go check her out. This brow for some reason has been trending, and it's called the fish brow. I don't know, don't ask me how. So I decided to do something, you know, really glam or something. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a bit complicated, but I try to make it as detailed and easy as possible, so just make sure to follow all the steps. And if you do decide to recreate any of my looks, feel free to leave to tag me on them so I could take a look at them and possibly repost them on my page. Make sure to follow me on all my social media handles. I'm going to leave the link to every one of them in the description box. So make sure to check the description box for any further information. If I don't leave the product details on the screen, it's going to definitely be in the description box, so make sure to check that out if you want to find out all the product I used on my face. And I'll leave some sellers on Instagram handles so you can go check them out and purchase some of the items that I used on my face. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before leaving, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I have a new video. I also wanted to use this as an opportunity to thank you guys that have been constantly supportive of my channel, and you keep on coming to my channel to watch every video. Even the notification gang ladies, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you, and in fact you guys are the real MVP. So make sure to turn on the notification. Please don't forget to, you know, always watch my video. Even if you're not interested in watching, just leave it on, let it be playing. That helps in increasing my, what is it called, my my watch hour. All my video suggestions, I'm going to leave some videos that you might be interested in the description box. Until my next video, take care of yourself. I love you guys, and don't forget, everybody is beautiful, but not everybody sees it. So until my next video, love you guys. Bye.